This is the Activity Tracker. It allows you to monitor student activity performance in real time. From here, you can track performance for all of the activities in the module. As students complete questions, ticks and crosses will appear in the tracker cells. If a student has answered a question incorrectly on their first attempt, but correctly on their second attempt, the tick will appear in a red and green box. Selecting a verified cell will take you to the student's answers. Sometimes an activity will require marking. When this happens, a question mark will appear. Select the question mark to go to the student's answer, along with a simple marking interface for you to assign a mark. After you have marked an activity, the results will appear in the Activity Tracker. Selecting a student's name will take you to their student portfolio. To return to the module homepage, simply select the module name in the navigation bar. You can return at any time to view student results.